You're probably overpaying for Salesforce, and you probably know it. But here's the part you don't hear enough. You can use your own data to turn that around. Salesforce builds shelfware into your contract on purpose. You pay for users who never log in. You get stuck in license tiers no one needs. You're locked into bundles you didn't ask for. And when renewal time comes, they want even more. And if you don't show them the numbers, they'll assume full usage, full price, and zero negotiation room. This white paper shows you how to flip the power dynamic. We'll show you how to pull your own login data, map your API usage, dissect your integrations, and turn that into leverage. You'll know exactly what's in use, what's sitting idle, and what to cut. This isn't a feel-good strategy, Doc. It's a tactical guide written by people who've sat in the room with Salesforce reps and told them no, and made it stick. If you're walking into a renewal with no usage model, you're walking into a trap. Download the white paper, run the audit, show them the facts, and stop paying for Salesforce shelfware they hope you never question.